Hi, I'm Archie Johnson, an 18-year-old British racing driver gearing up for an unforgettable 2025 season in the Mini Challenge UK. I want to offer you a unique opportunity to be a part of my journey and showcase your brand on the biggest stage in British motorsport. The Mini Challenge is a core part of the British Touring Car Weekends. It attracts the largest and most passionate fans across the UK. We're talking over 368,000 trackside viewers and 14.8 million ITV4 viewers. That's exposure on a scale a few other sports can offer. By joining as a sponsor, your brand gets great visibility in front of a highly engaged audience. Whether it's prominent branding on my car, race suit, or activations across social media, I want your brand to stand out. We're not just about the numbers. The British Touring Car Weekends are an electrifying experience. They're packed with action, family-friendly entertainment, and fans that are deeply loyal to the teams and drivers they support. This is your chance to connect with a fan base that loves motorsport and the brands that make it happen. Sponsorship packages are tailored to make sure your goals are met. Whether it's increasing brand exposure, interacting with customers, or VIP experiences at the track. This is more than just a partnership. It's a chance to align your brand with the thrill, excitement, and passion of British motorsport. We've got just a few partnership slots left for 2025, so don't miss out. Let's create something truly special together. Get in touch today, and I'll see you on the grid.